Here's how to create an account with Plug SMM Service. First, open your browser. It can be any browser like Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you prefer. Then type plugsmmservice.com and press enter. Once the page opens, you will see the login screen. Look for the sign up option and click on it to start creating your account. Now, let's fill out the registration form together. You will see several fields such as username, email, WhatsApp, first name, last name, password, and confirm password. Username. Enter the username you want to use. It can be anything you like, as long as it's something you can easily remember. Email. Enter your personal email address that you have access to. This email will be used if you ever need to recover your account or receive updates and promotional emails from us. Don't worry, you can unsubscribe from promotional emails at any time. WhatsApp. Enter your WhatsApp number. This number will be used to provide customer support and verify that you are the owner of the account if needed. First name. Enter your first name. It doesn't have to be your real name. Just use a name you are comfortable with, and we can use it to address you. Last name. Enter your last name. Again, this can be any name you prefer us to use when addressing you. Password. Create a secure password that you can easily remember. Make sure it's strong enough to keep your account safe. Confirm password. Type the same password again to make sure there are no typing mistakes. Once all the fields are filled out correctly, check the box that says "I'm not a robot." Then, read and accept the terms of service. If you want, you can take some time to read the terms carefully, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll skip that part. Click on the sign up button. Congratulations, you've successfully created an account. After signing up, you will receive a welcome ticket notification. This message welcomes you to Plug SMM Service and provides important instructions, like turning off the flag for review option when boosting Instagram accounts. And that's it. You've created an account with us. Thank you for choosing Plug SMM Service.